Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? So what's going on this time? Axie Infinity price is pumps up 7.52%. I think it's really huge pump, and when a coin will starting moving upward, that all credit goes to holder. And this time you can see here in last 1 hour the price is decreased, but in last one day you can see 7.28% the price will pumps up, but in last 7 days they will get a 10%. So that's means to just in only in last 24 hour, my friends, they will completely back up. So what's the reason, my friend, and what we will need to do, my friends? So everything I'm going to discuss now, but kindly holders, please, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. This is very important, my friend. So as you can see this time, the XI market, you can see, so a lot of exchanges, you can see, my friend, this time available, and you can see here people are really interested now in this coin. So therefore I will also notify you, my friends, to please, if you want to get a profit now, please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get 100% profit in this time. So my friend, this time if we check out, so the last 3 days chart, we will better understand. You can see 5.3%, just and only they will get a profit. This means, so this is temporary pump. After that they will again fail down, again they will moving upward, but after this huge jump, my friend, you can see they will again fail down. So remember to, after a fails, every coin will pumps up. So therefore I will notify you, my viewers. So if they were fails down for a short time, this does not mean you are starting selling. Kindly hold down and don't starting selling. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time they will give you a double to triple profit. So why you will miss this chance? Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope in upcoming time they will make you millionaire. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.